Design, analyze, and detail concrete and steel structures. Revit supports the building information modeling process for structural engineers by providing a physical model to use for documentation and coordination and an associated analytical model to use for structural analysis and design. Leveraging Revit as their BIM authoring platform, structural engineers can easily and efficiently exchange their designs with Robot Structural Analysis Professional, calculation spreadsheets, and other third-party analysis tools. Robot Structural Analysis Professional offers advanced modeling, finite element analysis, and code checking capabilities for any type of structure and material. The interoperability between Revit and Robot Structural Analysis Professional supports an iterative design process, enabling rapid exchanges of data between designers and engineers and enhancing collaboration between them. In addition to facilitating integrated structural design and analysis workflows, Revit also serves as a BIM platform connecting design to detailing and fabrication for concrete and steel structures. Revit provides tools enabling detailers to model 3D concrete reinforcement, create shop drawings, and generate bending schedules in an advanced BIM environment. From highly accurate 3D concrete detailing to quality 2D documentation, Revit offers outstanding capabilities for production efficiency and versatility. Prefabrication can shorten project schedules, improve productivity, and improve job site safety. Revit supports multiple stages of the precast workflow, offering advanced tools that automate the process of generating precast assemblies, shop drawings, and files for computer-aided manufacturing machines. Structural engineers can model detailed steel connections in Revit using hundreds of standard parametric connection configurations. Custom connections may also be created with easy-to-use editing tools. The Propagate Connections feature speeds up the process of modeling connections, as it detects similar conditions and automates the process of inserting the same steel connection in multiple locations. Structural analysis results visibility in Revit tightens the integration between analysis and detailing phases, helping engineers make better design decisions when adding steel connections to the structural model. By connecting engineers and detailers through a seamless design and detailing workflow, firms can reduce the time required to move from design to fabrication while simultaneously reducing errors along the way. Advanced Steel users can directly utilize models created in Revit to automatically generate fully annotated shop drawings, bills of materials, and NC files for steel fabrication.